Hi, I'm Cammy.
And I'm Cologne.
And we're the founders of Show Me Your Mumu. We got the idea to start our company when we were actually on vacation together, and we felt like there was a lack of cute and flowy and comfortable clothes that were also really sexy.
We decided to just go home and make it. We just used all the tools we could at the time. We used Craigslist, we used social media. We had full-time jobs, we did it on the side, and we just made it happen.
We would have the freezer and the oven in the kitchen cupboards were all filled with muumuus and packing supplies. And we would come home from work, pack up all our muumuus, and then ship them out the next day.
Now we have, a lot of employees and it's very different, but it's still the same concept.
We had a really tough season one time. Sales were down and we weren't loving the collection and we were just losing some of that mumu momentum and spirit. And it was really hard for us because we had had season after season where everything was going great. There were certainly nights that ended in tears where maybe I didn't feel so good until I woke up in the morning, had my coffee, and I'm like, you know what? I believe in what we're doing. We're gonna keep moving forward. And we did, and thank goodness we did, because here we are.
Be careful that you don't grow too quickly and that you don't lose sight of what you're doing.
We had lost focus on the product, which is the most important thing that we do.
It's definitely these moments that make your company who you are. It feels like the end of the world at the time, but I think it's like how you overcome these little obstacles. You have to keep moving and you have to learn from them.
We aren't Amazon. We aren't one of these massive companies. We're an amazing company run by women, and we're trying to get you awesome products that we want to wear too. If you want to start a business, you need to be prepared to work really, really, really hard. I mean, like, so freaking hard. And you need to make sure you're having fun along the way and you enjoyed what you did.
We're so lucky. We get to go to the office every day with like 100 girls that are like our best friends. When you look around, and you just need to remember that and take a step back and appreciate it. We love what we do.